Understanding use potting mix. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, use potting mix. This might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning, especially for gardening enthusiasts. Let's dive in and understand it fully. Use potting mix is a straightforward instruction often found in gardening contexts. The word, use, is a verb that implies the action of employing or applying something for a purpose. The term, potting mix, refers to a specialized soil-like material used for planting and growing plants, particularly in containers or pots. Potting mix is different from regular soil. It's a blend of various materials like peat, bark, and perlite. This mixture provides better aeration, drainage, and nutrients to plants. The phrase, use potting mix, suggests that for certain types of planting, particularly container gardening, a potting mix is more suitable than ordinary soil. This phrase is often found in gardening guides or plant care instructions. To use potting mix, you should fill the container or pot with this material before planting your seeds or plants. It ensures that your plants have the ideal environment to grow and thrive. In English, especially in gardening and horticulture circles, this phrase is common. It reflects the practical, straightforward nature of English instructions. Understanding such phrases is not just about the words, but also about the context in which they are used. And there you have it. Use potting mix is more than just a gardening command. It's a glimpse into the practical aspect of the English language. Hope this video helps you understand not just the phrase, but also the beauty of English in everyday life. Happy gardening and happy learning!